This is the Doogee S118 rugged smartphone drop test. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. The S118 is another smartphone in the rugged line of products from Doogee. In this video, I'll be dropping the phone onto concrete to see how it handles the drops. For the first drop, I'll drop it from waist height onto the screen. We can clearly see some scrapes on the rubberized housing or frame, some of which brush off. The screen itself has no damage or cracks, and it works fine. The rest of the phone is also undamaged. For the second drop, I'll drop it again onto the screen, but this time from head height. There are additional scrapes on the rubberized housing. No damage to the screen, and the screen still works fine. The back remains undamaged. On the third drop, I'll attempt to drop it on the side from waist height. From this drop, there are just some scrapes on the rubberized portion of the housing. The metal plate on the side is not damaged, since the raised rubber bumpers provide some clearance from the ground. No damage to the back, as well as the screen. The screen still operates without any issues. For the fourth and final drop, I'll drop it from waist height onto the back. We see some scrapes now on the back rubber portions of the frame or housing. There are also a few scrapes on the left side of the camera bezel frame. But the camera lens cover itself is not damaged or cracked. Still no damage to the screen, and the screen works without any issues. So when it comes to the Doogee S118, aside from some scrapes or scratches, you won't need to worry about dropping it. Even on rough or harsh surfaces, the main and important parts of the phone are protected by the raised rubberized frame from getting damaged during drops. As always, links will be in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.